Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take apart to replace the LCD and glass screen assembly on your Motorola Moto G6 Play. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Okay, so first off, let's go ahead and power the device off. Let's go ahead and remove the SIM card and SD card tray here on the side with the SIM ejector tool. Next up, we're going to need to give the back cover heat. You can do this with a hairdryer or a heat gun, moving around at all times. Never stay in one spot for too long so you don't burn the inside of the phone. You can also place it on a hot plate, which is what I prefer to use. Set it to about 100 degrees Celsius. Wait till it gets there and leave it on there for about a minute or two. I'm going to be using these gloves to help me handle the phone since it's going to be pretty hot, and this suction cup and this plastic prying tool, a couple other prying tools, maybe a business card. If you don't have prying tools, you could fold it in half. And keep in mind, we're going to have a link to the parts and tools used in this video down below in the description. So once the phone is hot enough, go ahead and get your suction cup and pry up on the side here and place the prying tool inside and move it around gently to remove some of the adhesive holding it together. So we're going to go around all sides with the plastic prying tools or with the business card. Once you have gone around all these sides removing the adhesive, we can pull up with our hands and fingers. Just pull up on the back cover to remove any leftover adhesive. Be very careful though, there is a flex cable connected for the fingerprint scanner. And in order to get this out of the way, we're going to need to remove some screws with a small Phillips head screwdriver. So let's remove the two screws. We're going to remove that bracket out of the way, and then we can disconnect the flex cable connected to the motherboard. Next up, we're going to need to remove all the Phillips head screws holding on the back frame of the phone with the small Phillips head screwdriver. Once they're all removed, we're with the plastic prying tool, we're going to wedge up on the bottom here, and it will lift up pretty easily. And then we're going to wiggle it around and give it some more pressure upwards, and the top portion of the plastic frame will come out as well. Just keep going around, releasing all the clips, and it will come off pretty easily. Let's go ahead and remove the flex cable here for the battery and disconnect any electricity that's flowing through the phone. Then we can go ahead and disconnect this bigger flex cable up here. We can disconnect the next flex cable right next to it, which connects to the charger port down at the bottom. We can disconnect it down here as well. Let's go ahead and disconnect the antennas that connect to the charger port at the bottom. Let's disconnect them and pull them to the side. So here we're going to have the volume rocker buttons. We're going to disconnect the little flex cable. And then we're going to need to remove another Phillips head screw here and one at the top. Once they're removed, you can go ahead and pry up on the motherboard, wiggle it around, and it will come off completely. Next up, to remove the battery, we're going to need to give it heat once again. I'm going to go ahead and use my hot plate, but you can use a hairdryer or a heat gun on the screen. After giving it some heat, the adhesive holding the battery to the LCD and screen frame will loosen up. And we can give it some pressure with the plastic prying tools and wedge it upwards to remove the rest of the adhesive, and the battery will come out completely. So this cable right here is the one that connects to the charger port at the bottom. We can pull it out. We're going to go ahead and pull up the antennas, and then we can give it some pressure and lift up the charger port portion at the bottom. Let's go ahead and remove the ear speaker. Then we can pull up on this cable, which is the LCD cable. So here's the LCD and glass screen assembly. We're going to have a link down below in the description where you can buy one. It's going to look just like this. It's a complete part, which makes it a lot easier to put everything back together in reverse order and assemble your phone back together. Alright, so now all we're going to have to do is just that, put everything back together in reverse order. So once you have all the screws back in and the flex cable connected, it's time to place the back cover back on. So we're just going to position it on there correctly and give it pressure around all sides to make sure that all the clips go back into their places and the back cover is secure on the phone. Let's go ahead and place the SIM and SD card tray back in the phone and power the phone on. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.